The chip bag in the microwave challenge. We got empty Doritos chip bag. Alright, we're gonna try it. See how it is. It's probably like 2 minutes. Holy sh! Alright, we're gonna try that again. Oh my god! It melted. Hey, if this stuff explodes, yeah, well he is, I'm not. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Yeah.
It's not shrinking, bro.
Hey, you gotta get a little. Yeah, dude, that's what it's supposed to do. Leave it in there. You don't see that many squirts.
Oh, it disintegrated.
Oh my god! It ain't. Ew. Ew.
It's like shrunk.
Ew, it stinks so bad.
The Doritos. Oh my god.
Oh, it's hot! It's hot! Ew!
It's like a fetus.
This is like some of the Walking Dead series. Just it stinks so bad. Alright, we're gonna do another one. Oh, we already did it. Oh my god! I didn't even get that on camera. Just keep going.
See what we got here. Oh my god!
Oh my god. Okay, there's our 1, 2.
We didn't do this long enough.
Yeah, dude. No, it's attached to it. It's attached. Oh, shit's hot. Oh, it's melted to my finger. Ah, pull it. Ah, it's melted to. Oh, God. Ouch. Ow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Ouch. It melted to my finger, dude, for about a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that hurt my hand so bad. Leave it in there. Ow. Oh, if you can't see my hand's bloodshot red, you can tell about my index finger. Oh my god, dude. Leave it in there for a little bit longer. Shit, let's see the little shot on the shit. Turn off.
It's gonna create a fire, bro. Oh my god.
Oh! Ouch! It's gone.
Where did it go?
Oh, crap.
Dude, it could melt it, dude.
But it's gone. It's gone. Dude, the camera don't even see it.
Move, dude, move.
It's right here. It's right. Oh, it's right here. Right. Oh.
I guess it's gonna stay there.
Whatever.
New idea. Plastic bag.
Plastic bag. I don't even know what the hell.
Dude, chocolate bar.
Okay, whatever this is, son.
Hershey Kiss.
Hey. Want Tim? Comment below if tinfoil explodes, cause that's a Hershey's Keys. That's nasty.
Boy.
It ain't do nothing. It did nothing!
Dude. Now we're gonna place a Hershey Kiss in here.
Oh shit, it's gonna melt. Should we put it on a plate?
Pretty good.
You cleaning it up, you know.
15.
You just gotta leave it in there for about a minute.
Good play.
Beautiful. You gotta fucking play. I ain't doing nothing for you. I ain't your slave. You gotta
You
play.
want to be. It's styrofoam, so it's very delicious.
Leave it on there until I say something. So how was your day?
I'm pretty good. How's yours?
Good. Well, right now we're pretty much melting stuff. This is not doing nothing!
Oh my god.
Give me a second. We're gonna do a Hershey's bar. And with that, it's a little tent. We'll leave it in there for a couple minutes. We're gonna pause the video and get back with you later. It's taking so long I had to take a chair. We checked it a second ago and it still wasn't melted. So I just realized I can see a big vein in my foot. Look, the camera sees it, it looks like an A, but I can't. Leave that. Oh, shut your hand.
It's good now. Dude.
Wait, leave it. I'm gonna put my foot on it. Go get you another piece of chocolate. Go to the toilet and make your own chocolate. Leave me the fuck alone! I got 3 pairs of scissors right there.
Chocolate is freaking delicious.
Yeah, that's what he says. Because he's a fat boy. Leave me the fuck alone!
His chin.
Yeah, at least I got a chin. Get me water. Oh. Go out and buy some blue water.
Alright, it's good by now.
Oh my god. But you had 2 pieces in my chocolate.
I'm just splitting it. Nothing.
This is what we got. And if he keeps dipping his nasty hands in it. Well, wait, stop. Stop, we're gonna have to make some more. Is this a fucking Rolo?
What did you get?
Oh, that's a Reese's. Get one. Take it. Wait a minute.
Pause in here.
We got a Hershey's. Wait. Melted Hershey's. Forgot what that is.
We'll put all these in here. Just the Hershey's. Kisses.
Alright, we're gonna get this done. Pause it.
Gotta save something for my family. Ready for art.
We made our own art.
Now let's do this.
I'm gonna have to pause the camera.
You were eating most of our art.
Well, I'm about to go get my cologne because it stinks so bad in here whenever we melted the stuff. Well, that's what we got. Put it in here for a minute. See you later. I'm gonna go get some cologne and spray it. Bye. After we get our chocolate, we're gonna play some Infinite Warfare Zombies. Got 50 Cent on the leaderboard. Got me. I'm 420 Samurai guy. About to play zombies. Y'all should get this. It's actually really good. Got the best PS4 ever. Black Ops 3. Alright, has the chocolate melted yet?
I don't know.
Oh my god! I'm gonna leave that in there for a little bit longer. We're gonna do it for full blown. Oh, you fucker! Ow! Got a big ass line on my
It's
arm.
done, dude. Oh my god.
You're a dick, you know that?
I'm just joking around. Come on. I'm sorry.
A lot of shit on the platter now. Oh! Don't eat with your nasty hands. Get a fork or a spoon, bro. Oh, I can't put my hand. How am I supposed to play the game now?
I'm sorry. I didn't know that would happen.
Bullshit.